If you're picking up a new mod bike or if you already ride one and you're starting to look at accessories, this one is for you. We put together the Essentials Bundle as a complete starter kit for every mod bike. These are the accessories that most riders add anyway, all bundled up into one easy place. First up, we have storage. You get to choose the storage option that best fits your needs. You can go with our expandable mod snap-on trunk bag. It's one of our most popular accessories. It snaps on and off easily, has expandable side compartments, and even the top opens up for more space. You can fit a ton of stuff in there and carry it with you wherever you go. If you want something more traditional, you can also choose our snap-on rear basket or our quick-release front basket. Next, let's talk about security. The bundle includes our Mod Foldy Lock Compact. It's a small, convenient, and easy to store right in its case. Just pull it out, wrap it around your bike, and pull, and you're done. But most importantly, we want to keep you safe. The Essential Bundle also includes the Lumos Smart Helmets. This brand new helmet connects directly to your mod bike through Mod Connect. You can control turn signals, brake lights, and more right from your bike. It's designed to keep you visible and protected, and yes, it looks pretty cool too. So, as we said, these are the essentials, and as a nice perk, when you choose the Essential Bundle, you save 10% compared to buying everything separately. If you're looking for even more, check out our Essential Pro Bundle. To learn more, visit us at modbikes.com or give us a call at 512-518-3445. Ride safe, have fun, and we'll see you on the next one.